Unity in Diversity. Good morning, esteemed teachers and dear classmates. Today, I stand before you to delve into a concept that forms the very essence of our incredible nation: unity in diversity. Imagine a land where myriad cultures, languages, and traditions converge to create a harmonious tapestry. That's India. From the majestic Himalayas to the serene beaches of the south, our country is a symphony of diverse landscapes, and within it resides the heart of our unity. Diversity, far from being a source of division, is a strength that binds us together as a uniquely vibrant nation. In a nation where Diwali, Eid, Christmas, and Baisakhi are celebrated with equal joy, we witness the embodiment of unity in diversity. Our nation is a mosaic of religions: Hindus, Muslims, Christians, Sikhs, Buddhists, Jains, living side by side in mutual respect. The beauty of our festivals lies not just in their celebration but in the participation of people from all communities. Languages, the very tools of communication, play a significant role in our unity. Hindi, English, Bengali, Tamil, each language contributes to the rich linguistic tapestry that defines us. Despite the linguistic diversity, we find ways to understand and connect with one another. Cultural diversity is our crown jewel, with every region adding its unique colors and patterns. Dance forms like Bharatanatyam, Kathak, and Bihu, music genres ranging from classical to folk and Bollywood, traditional art and crafts, these are the threads that weave our rich cultural heritage. Unity in diversity is not a mere slogan, it's a way of life for us. It means respecting and embracing our differences, understanding that these differences make us stronger as a nation. Like a vibrant garden adorned with different flowers, India shines brighter with its diverse people. As we embark on our journey, let's carry the spirit of unity and diversity in our hearts. Let's celebrate our differences, learn from each other, and work hand in hand to build a harmonious and prosperous nation. Thank you.
Thanks for watching.